There is a saying that hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. This saying comes perfectly in the case of Asha Kandara, who became RAS officer from a sweeper. Asha married a man in 1997. She got married at an early age, but unluckily, she abandoned by her husband just 5 years after their marriage. It took her a pretty long time to overcome the trauma and anxiety of her broken marriage. While she was experiencing this trauma, Asha determined that she has a lot to handle. So she got up and began her journey. She became a single mother with 2 children and took the responsibility on her shoulders. Asha took up the job of a sweeper to support her parents, children and their dreams. Her journey was not so easy and she had to face criticism for her caste, job profile and even for being a single parent. Asha Kandara decided to start with educating herself and began searching for distinct ways of studying efficiently at home. She started at the school level and finished her graduation in the year 2016. But due to poor financial condition, she appeared for the examination of a sweeper with Jodhpur Municipal Corporation without any hesitation and succeeded in the same. When Asha got this job, she had a steady income to manage her family. Yet, she did not hold herself at that point and wished to accomplish more in life to give her children a more enjoyable life. To follow her vision, Asha chose to prepare for the RAS exams. So, alongside her job, she started preparing for RAS. She used to leave for work at 6 am and returning from there after completing her household chores, used to study and prepare for RAS. Her family used to support her in achieving the best. She attempted the preliminary part in 2018 and when she passed, she knew no difference in day and night in qualifying for the final part. After appearing for the exam, she had to wait for an extended time for her result due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And when the results came out, she saw her name on the list. Her happiness knew no bounds. Her humiliation gave her the strength to become something in life and give a befitting reply to society. She got the chance to become the deputy collector. The idea of getting into the state civil services stuck on with her as people mocked her and asked if she was a collector. It was then that she googled the meaning of the word collector and decided to get into civil services. She had to go through a lot from a broken marriage, caste discrimination to gender bias. If she asked for anything or demanded something, she had to hear that she is not a collector. But she never let herself down in sorrow and instead decided to fight back. When she was studying, many taunted her, laughed at her, saying that, "Do you think that you will become a collector? Did your father or grandfather have become a collector?" Their taunts initially bothered her, but later they made her intention more firm and clear that she has to be a civil servant.
However, a sad turn of events occurred when the State Anti-Corruption Bureau arrested Asha, alleging that she had taken large bribes and was running a job racket. Asha, her son and a middleman were arrested for accepting a bribe of 1,75,000 rupees to secure sweeper jobs. This incident marked a fall from grace for the RAS officer who had once been a role model for aspirants of the prestigious civil service exam.
Thank you.